Guys, in this video, I'm going to install brand new Japsco freshwater pump and run lines for it. If that's something you're interested in, check it out. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There'll be lots more videos like this. Well, there you go. We got the water working. Check this out. I'm going to show you how I put in the water pump, how that's all working. Next time, we'll talk about how we did these cabinets. Hey guys, back in the boat, and I'm working on the water tank, water supply, and I'm gonna put a new pump in here. They had the pump over here, but I'm gonna change it and put it on this wall. You'll see why in a little bit. But one of the things I'm doing also is I'm going from this old gray pipe, which has been known to leak a lot of lawsuits over that. And I'm gonna go to PEX. I got a bunch of PEX here. So earlier it came out, it routed out of here is where it came out of. And I think I wanna change that to come out and come around the corner here, or possibly just come out and go up. That might be the better solution. But in any case, we'll get to that in a minute. But what I need to do is pull the new PEX. So what I'm going to do is hook the PEX to this and use this as the pull line, as you can see where it goes back there. That'll just make it easier so I'm not trying to fight it or fish it. So let's get this thing hooked up here. So this is pretty a simple deal. All right, I'll talk about why I'm switching to PEX. As I said, the gray pipe is known to leak. All the fittings that are known to leak, so I'm going to go to the newer style. But it is very bendable, which is important for what I'm doing. I think it's a better option now. A lot of the boats are going to that. A lot of the RVs are going to that. So let me show you. So the first thing is I'm gonna pull this and hook it to that. So in order to do that, cut the end off. Right, and then I got some tape. Duct tape, you know, has got to be on every boat. And I'll get it started with this. Just tape it pretty good so you don't have to worry about it coming loose. Although my tape is getting older, I can see. Put a little bit more right there on the leading, pulling end. Okay, good enough. Now, we'll go to the other end and pull it. Okay, as you can see, this pipe comes up right here. Now let's see if we can get that. When you're doing like remodels like this, you need to do it all. Stuck. Go back there to the back. Try that again. Okay, I went and pushed it a little bit more back there and got it started. It should come on through now. Yep. There we go. There we go. Alright, we'll leave it up there. Alright guys, having trouble with my brand new GoPro. It's got another one. So, I'm using some pipe dope. You can get this at, they call it pipe thread sealant. Get it at Home Depot, wherever. Load my threads up real good. And then turn them in. You don't want this to leak. I always put extra on there just so it should push out. Alright guys, I want to show you an up close how do you make these connections. I got a little box that I keep all my PEX connections in, including the tool. Alright, so all it basically says do is you slide these in, these little connectors. This is just a union. You got 90s, different things, but you, depending on what you're doing, but slide this on first, slide this over, and then it says slide this up to within a quarter, which you would see you would be about half of that. And then you take it, this end, as you can see, would go on there, and then you just start clamping it down. It's got like a gear clamp, and clamp till it stops. Just like that. All right. And you can open it, and there's the connection. I've used CPVC before in a boat, and that's pretty good. There's actually some situations that would work fine. It's the same size as that, but the PEX I like better. They've got a white and a red. They got a blue, white, and red. So white is just for cold water, and then the next, when I put in the hot water tank, I will run the red, and it works perfectly. This is my first time working with PEX, and it's been in the boat for a while now with no leaks, and I know a lot of people use it, so I do too. Strongly recommend working with PEX.
Oh. Whoa. Oh. Crap. Is this wood thing right here sturdy?
Yeah, sturdy enough.
Oh, bro. Alright, see ya.
Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this one on back there. You gotta run it the way it's gonna run, which would be like this. And I'll show you what I mean. Push it up, 1/4 inch. There we go. All right, here's the Japsco 3 freshwater pump. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, how about hit that thumbs up? And according to my analytics, about 50% of you are not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button so you can see more. I appreciate it. Okay, it says that you can mount it. You can mount it vertical like that. Obviously the reading's up. All right, according to the directions, this filter goes in line, and it goes that way. And I'm gonna look at it where to mount it. When you don't know, put as limited screws as you can. You can figure out where you want it. Like that. It's better. That'd be good just till we figure it out. Probably gonna poke through on the other side, but if so, I'll go in with my cut-off wheel and cut that off. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. So, if that be the case, I'm gonna need to run this. Run me a T. water's going to come in, go in, and get pumped out. So what I think is it's going to do this. I'm going to build it and then clamp it all together. So once I get it all attached or together, I'll put straps and strap it to the wall. There. Supply. I need a piece, one more piece. Wow, that'll be done. Well guys, I have the boat all plumbed up, as I'll show you. And looky there. There's a hole cut right in there. Who did that? That'd be this guy. When I was cutting the back floor out, I went through that tank. The good news is Stump Boat's got one. So I'm gonna go fix and go take it off, put it on. I gotta tell you, buying this Stump Boat was the best thing I ever done. Between getting a good trailer and then having these parts. It's unbelievable. For those new to the channel, when you're hearing me talk about Stump Boat, I bought a boat that was almost identical to this boat. And I've used so many parts off of it, but I bought that to drop an engine through it. If you hadn't seen that video, I'm going to leave a link in the description and you can check it out. This is what was on there, so it already fits. So I'm just going to put that back on there. The blue stuff, true blue, I use it in my cabinet business when I got a sink or something. It works real good. This is actually just a vent. Anything's going to do it. This is, there we go. But you want to goop it up real good. Using the same parts saves you a ton of time chasing stuff. Boy, did I luck out having this. Thank goodness. I mean, I gotta tell you, what a blessing this was. The Lord bless me on this boat. Come on, baby, one more turn. One more. There we go. Take one out, put one back. Boy, that's very, very lucky. Guys, if you'll notice, there's a tank sitting there now. The reason I had to run those lines was before I put that tank in there, or it would have been very hard to do it. Then I dropped back and put the tank in. Woohoo! Put this back together. Plug it back up, see if it works. I know it works. I already tested it. Okay guys, I want to show you now that you've seen everything installed. You basically got the water coming from the bottom of the tank coming in, going up and into the pump. Then it comes out and goes up to a T. One goes up into the shower valve, show you that in a second. And then the other one goes to the sink. You see me pull that line. It's powered from the power goes up to a switch here. When it's under pressure and it's holding so it doesn't come on. When you turn the shower valve on is when the water will come on. So let me set that there. When I turn the water on, you'll see the water will come out. Cut it off, and then the pump comes on. You heard it come on. But that's how it works. Eventually above my head, when the top's installed, I'll have a shower curtain. So if you need a curtain, of course, when you're on the hook and ain't nobody around, you have nothing to worry about.